Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my fluffy edges tutorial. How I got my edges to look like this. Very cute, very fluffy, not sticking down like stickers. Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely stay tuned to the end of today's video. Go ahead and follow my social medias. They will be on this screen. And then we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. Alrighty YouTube, so this is my hair. It is, out the bonnet and everything. This is how it's looking. I try not to wash it very often because my hair is red and every time I wash it, it washes out. It turns, like a lighter red, almost like pink. But I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle. Even though, this is like an edge tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and still do my hair as I would normally do it. So I'm going to split it into, and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. That way I can manipulate my hair. So now that she's nice and damp, I'm gonna take this, I'm not even sure how to say this, but this is the oil name. I got this out of Sephora. I've been using this recently. Usually I would use black castor oil, but your girl has just been loving the way this smells. I went to Sephora, I smelled it, and I was like, yeah, we're picking her up. So I'm gonna take a few pumps, and I'm just gonna put that throughout my hair, and I'm also going to rub that in my scalp because my scalp tends to be super dry. Yet again, the rest of my hair tends to be kind of dry as well. So we're just gonna put that in there. I like to just, scrunch it up in there until my hands don't have any more oil on them. But y'all, I've been so busy. Like, I didn't even get to finish Vlogtober, and I know some of you guys are mad at me. Don't be mad at me, okay? Don't be mad at me. So okay, let's see what I want to do today. Should I, I don't even know if I want to have my hair out because I low-key want to put it up. The back is looking that crazy. I need to reapply some of the red. Okay, so I'm gonna, should I put it up? You know what? We're gonna put her up. We're gonna put her up for this edge tutorial so y'all can really see the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little hair tie. And I'm not gonna actually comb my hair going up because this isn't really like a hairstyle tutorial. But I'm gonna just put her up in a little pony bun situation. But y'all, I've been so busy. Like, I was really going to finish Vlogtober, like I really was, and then I went out of state for a couple days, and I was gonna record out of state. Like, I packed my camera, I packed my laptop. When I got there, I was so tired. I was like, yeah, I didn't post that day. I didn't even record, so I had nothing to upload, so I didn't upload. Then the next day I was still in Atlanta and I didn't record. I didn't upload that day, and I was like, okay, shit, it's been 2 days. And then boom, I was in Atlanta the next day. That was the day I went back home, I think, or maybe not, I don't really remember. Right, so I was in Atlanta for a couple of days, and every day I was out there, I would plan to record. I had YouTube videos to record. I just didn't execute the plan. So at that point in time, it was like 3 or 4 days. I didn't upload. I came back home at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Crazy stuff. And then I woke up, mind you, I went to sleep at like 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when I got back home. So the next day I woke up, it was like a good 2 or 3 p.m. because I'm sleeping in, didn't record. And I was like, damn, I ain't recording like a week for Vlogtober. And then when I wanted to record, it was like 3 days left of October. Swear to it, like swear to it. It was 3 days left. I was like, damn, this would be kind of odd to like drop a video, and I didn't drop a video in a week, but I'm only gonna drop 3 more videos. So then I thought about it. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna drop a Halloween vlog. Didn't even do that. So that's where we are today. So I apologize for that. But anyways, back to the tutorial. So now that your hair is like this or whatever, I like to go ahead and pull out my edges. So I like to, hold right here. Boom, pull them out. The ones on the side should look something like this. Whatever edges you're trying to do. And I know I need to wash my hair, y'all. This is like getting ridiculous. I'm gonna wash it really, really soon. So it should look something like this. I like to pull everything out. And the product that I've been loving recently too is this Aveda Botanical Repair Bonding Building Style Cream. It's a style cream. I haven't tried this like on my actual hair, only on my edges. They actually sent this to me, so you know, I'm a little skeptical. I didn't like purchase it. It smells pretty good. It smells like mint. And then I go ahead and I just take it and I basically like flatten everything down with it. So this side, and then everything that's hanging, like the actual hairs, I put the product through so that it can curl up. Because one thing about this product that I noticed, it like makes my hair curl up so much more rather than like Shea Moisture, because y'all know I'm a Shea Moisture girl. So I just stick everything down, put the product throughout the hair so it can curl up on its own. And then I do the same thing with the rest. Now I did notice that this is the only product that does that for my hair. I don't really know what they put in here. Crack or something for curls, crack for curls. You know what? Stick everything down. Don't even worry about what I'm saying. Stick everything down. So she looks something like this. Now I go ahead and I take my edge brush, my edge comb. I take the comb side. It does come with a little brush side. I don't ever use the brush side. It's just not my cup of tea. Whatever works for you and your hair. So I take the little comb side. I always start with the edge right here on the end. And I'm just gonna pick up all of these hairs so they're not like sticking on me. I'm gonna scrunch them so that they can curl up how I want them to be before we continue. Just scrunch it up so the curl can, you know, curl up or something. Any little wave is gonna do. And then I take the comb side and I just do my edges as normal. I do mine in like these little C motions. Boom. Now as for the edges on the side, I like to go ahead and start up here. And I just take my finger. I try not to get it past my brow, because you don't want your edges on your brows. And I just do the exact same motion going all the way down, so it should look something like this. And then I will go ahead and sweep it back so it's not, you feel me, on my brows. Let that sit. Boom. Looks cute, looks good. Now for this top edge, depends on how I feel. I'm gonna go ahead and just swoop it to the right side. It never does swoop to the left side, so I don't ever swoop it to the left side. And then on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing, a little C motion, and then the same thing on this side. So you're gonna press it down. If it's easier to hold it down, I think it is, because it definitely holds, you know, its shape. Move it from off of your brows. Scrunch, scrunch. This one is looking a little crazy. Stick her back down for now. Come on, friend. Boom. And this is how I would do my edges. Now for the fluffy look, you're gonna go ahead and wait for it to dry, because you know everything is nice and slick. So if you didn't want fluffy edges and you just wanted regular edges, this is how it would look. Boom, very easy. But for the fluffy edges, we're gonna go ahead and let this dry for like 5 minutes. It doesn't take long to dry, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alrighty, so it's been a couple of minutes. Really, you wanna kind of wait till it's dried, of course. You're gonna take the same comb side and you're gonna just go over what you just did. So you're just gonna go over that pattern a couple times. Get it to stick, but you know, loosen it up a little bit. Just like that. See the difference? Should be seeing the difference. So you're basically gonna go ahead and re-go over everything, keeping its shape. You're just basically not having it stick down to your forehead. Trying to get it to be fluffy. And definitely use your fingers to manipulate it, everything like that. Usually, it's not that hard to do. So it should look something like this. As you can see, they are definitely fluffy. They're sticking down, but they're really not sticking down. But that's really what you want. You don't want it to be too fluffy to where it's just looking a hot mess. So this is how it should look. So that is going to make this the end of today's video. So I thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you watch from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow my social medias, and then I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.